DELL stock analysis and DELL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Dell Technologies is a decent 111%, $111 level, right? I'm very open-minded for longs. I mean, I don't know about you, but I've made previous videos and receipts in the Discord with Dell. So yes, beforehand I just sold the crap out of it, but now it has shifted and we have new ranges. Obviously, like entropy is going to eat up your analysis. This isn't, obviously we're just having new candles appear every single day, 5 days out of the week. Like there's no holidays, right? But other than that, if like coming into the next week, only if there's a confirmation, I'm going to be willing to buy. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy. You can see here previous receipts. No sweat, keep you updated in the next one.